guys, and welcome back to another video. For today's video, we're going to be doing a Zara bag unboxing. So I purchased 3 bags from Zara, so let's see what they look like. All right guys, so let's get started. So I like the packaging, you know, how they have it wrapped up. So let's see. All right, so I like how with each of the bags, it comes with a bag duster to kind of protect the bag. It looks cute, so let's see what the first bag looks like. I think this is the quilted, yep. So the first bag is this cute bag. The name of this bag is the double barrel quilted bag. It kind of reminds me of like a miniature duffel bag. It's so cute. So let me like remove the packaging so you can see what it actually looks like. It's a lot going on. I need scissors for this. I brought some scissors. I want to be fooling with trying to unwrap this bag. Okay, I think we got it. We'll leave that little part there. Alright, we get somewhere. This little miniature bag looks so cute. Alright, so it looks like it has like a little connector here to hold the little small bag. I'm gonna unzip it to see how much space is inside the bag. And you can actually remove it. So this is what the little bag looks like. I think it's really cute. I really love the silver hardware on it. It's so cute. It's like a little miniature bag. And then for the bigger bag, it actually looks like it has a lot of space. It also comes with this chain here. Take this stuff off. Hopefully this chain is easier to unwrap. This is really cute. I like the little chain that it comes with. So I guess you can clip them on both ends of the bag. So cute. And it has a lot of space inside, so you can fit all of your items. Knowing me, I always lose like my debit cards or my ID, so I would definitely probably store like my cash and my ID. Oh, this is cute. It also has a chain for the miniature bag as well. This is so freaking cute. So both bags comes with this little chain on them, and then you can connect a little miniature bag on it with this here. We have it here. Grab both of them. Just wear it like this. I like this. It's so freaking cute. This bag, the size, it just have M, so I guess medium size, and it retailed at $59.99. But I really like this bag. I love the chains And I love the way how it has this little miniature bag on it as well. So cute. All right, so moving on to the second bag. Let's see. Oh, this is so cute. This is another quilted bag, but it's not, it's like a denim material on it. It's denim, but it's like more on a gray color. And I love the chain on this bag as well. I think this is so freaking cute. And it has like the silver hardware as well, the little metal clip. So let me move the plastic off of this. Oh, this is so cute. And to open it, you just squeeze the sides. This is the inside. So it has a lot of room. It has this little extra pocket inside. The inside is black, so I like that. And I like how they attach the chain on it. But this bag is so freaking cute. Don't know how to close it. Oh, there it is. And this bag is also a size medium, and this bag also retailed at $59.99. So let me stand up so you guys can see. I like the size of the bag, but I really like the color of it, the gray denim color. This is definitely a cute bag. All right, so the third bag that I got, I remember it's a pink bag. So the third bag is this cute nylon bag in a fuchsia color. This kind of reminds me of the other denim bag. It also has the same clips, but I think it opens a little differently. You have to push it to open up. This one also has another, not a chain, but another strap to it. And then you can adjust the strap. It has where you can adjust it. Inside it has a lot of room as well. And it has another little zip area. It has like this little leather inside that says Zara. This bag is so freaking cute. I love the color. I've been trying to get like different bags because I always get like plain black bags. But I really like this one. Look at this. This is so freaking cute. Stand up so you guys can see it. And this bag as well retailed at $59.99. And I'll be sure to add all the links down below for you guys. But aren't these bags so freaking cute? Which one you guys like the best? I think I like, for me, this one is going to be the winner. I really love this bag. I think I like because it has like two and it has this little miniature, and I really like the chains on this one. Or do you guys like this one? So guys, let me know in the comments what you thought of this little bag unboxing, and also let me know which bag you liked out of this purchase. Again, this is my favorite here. Alright guys, so this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to your girl. And till next time. Bye.